Okay guys, to start our pattern project, we're going to take our piece of paper and we have it horizontal. And remember there's horizontal and vertical. Show me horizontal, show me vertical. Okay, so we're working horizontally, so put your paper horizontally. And then we're going to fold it in half. So we're going to take the top and pull it down to the bottom and line up our edges. And I have my fingers at the edge here to hold it. And then I'm going to gently make my fold. And then I open it back up. So now I have two rows, okay? We're going to work left to right, just like when you're learning to read or when you're reading, okay? And we're going to make a ABC pattern. By that I mean we're going to go A, B, C. A, B, C. And then we're going to go again, and we might run off the page, and then we're going to keep continuing on the bottom, which is fine. A, B, and then we're going to go all the way down here to the bottom. C, A, B, C. Oops. C, A, B, C, and we'll finish with A. So when you're working, your pattern is going to do this, A, B, C, A, B, C. Now you're not going to use the A, B, C letters. I'm just showing you what the pattern is going to be. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. So when you start, you're going to use either all cool colors, which are blue, purple, and green, or you may use all warm colors, which are red, orange, and yellow, okay? But I'm going to use cool colors just for my example, and I'm going to pick three shapes from these shapes here, okay? So one of your choices is square, one is circle, one is triangle, one is rectangle, okay? And then we're going to do what's called an organic shape, which is kind of a rounded shape, and it can be any shape that you make like that. It could look like this too, you know, it could be completely different than that one. It doesn't have to be that exact shape, okay? Organic shapes are just shapes that have rounded sides, okay? And for last, I'll let you pick like a shape of your choice, so maybe like a heart, okay? Or maybe you want to do like a dog bone or something. Okay, so but you're going to pick three of those shapes. So I'm going to pick square, circle, and I'm going to just use triangle. Okay, but when I'm making these, I'm going to go like this. All my squares are going to be purple. Square. My circles are going to be green. Circle. My triangles are going to be blue. Triangle. Then I'm going to go back to purple, square. Then I'm going to go circle, and green, and triangle, and blue. Now, on this pattern, it fit neatly across the page, but I want to shift my pattern so it goes A, B, C, A, B, C, and then this one, just to make it look different, I'm going to use B to start with. So I'm going to go B, which is my circle. Then I'm going to go C, which is my triangle. And then I'm going to go back to A. And the reason I'm doing that, I'll explain that in a second. So I go square, circle, triangle. Okay, and I think I can do one more square. Square. Okay, so the reason I did that is because I have the same pattern. It's just this pattern down here is shifted over a little bit. It's shifted over one. Okay, and sometimes in art, just shifting a pattern like that will make it look interesting. Then in the next step, I'm going to go back and I'm going to color these in using the same crayons but a different color inside. Like I may color in, instead of using coloring in all the way, I might use 5 dots and the 5 green dots in the square, and a spiral or curly coming out from the middle of the triangle, the circle. In the triangle, maybe I'll make lines going one direction, and then I go back the other direction. Okay, and then I'll repeat that. Then I'll go my dots again, and my curly Q line, and then I'll do my lines again in my triangle. And just by using the same colors, but in a different one on the inside, makes it look completely different. So I'm going to go ahead and do this bottom one, and then I'm going to show you the next step of how we're going to paint it. All right, that's our next step.